Welcome to Employee Self-Service. What you're seeing in front of you is the dashboard. This is basically the start of the Employee Self-Service section. Each employee on the system that has a username will have access to everything I'm going to show you now. It might look a bit different based on the packages that your company is subscribed to. For instance, if you don't have talent management, these buttons would not be available. If you don't have time and attendance, the check-in and check-out will not be available, etc. To start with the section, we can see that there's a dashboard starting with your leave balances. These are for the different types of leave you have and how many days you have available. This is where you would have your action buttons to perform the certain features in the system. And at the bottom, we have the leave applications and the claim applications that is awaiting your approval. Under My Profile, we have a view into the employee record that HRS exists on the system. First part is your personal details. The second one has got to do with your job description. Then we can do a management of our own skills, our own qualifications, as well as our own work history. Under My Finance, the employee can go look at previous overtime and expense claims that's been rejected and processed and what the reasons were for those. Under My Leave, we can look at the same. This will fetch your leave data. It will also go show you a calendar where your leave can be tracked, so you can go look at when you had leave in the history and then see what that leave was for. You can also look at public holidays that is applicable to your profile, as well as the department calendar that shows you everybody in your department that is on leave at the same time. So you can actually go find out if other employees in your department might be on leave when you need to interface with them. Under My Assets, we'll find the list of the assets that's been allocated to you. Once again, this could be an additional package, so it might not be enabled. And we can also look at our requisitions where we had ordered certain items from the company. We also have My Documents, which is a larger part of the employee self-service. We have the Share Documents where we start. This is a view into your employee record and the documents attached to that. You can upload additional documents and send that to HR for approval. If they approve it, it will be added to your profile. But we can also disable that based on HR settings, which means this button will then not be available. So if it's not available, you have to send your documents to HR for them to upload. Under Employee Notes, this would be notes that was created by HR. It might require your signature. If that is the case, you will get a notification. You go to Action and you just sign the document on the system. Assessments and review forms form part of the talent management package. COVID-19 forms part of COVID-19. Your shared organizational documents will be like a little intranet for all your company documents. So if your company requires you to get access to a specific document, they will put it in here and you can come and download a copy for yourself from anywhere. Performance assessments are all the performance management, the reports and reviews that get sent to you for self-assessment and for review. And you can view them from here and also go download a copy once they've been created. For time and attendance, if that package is activated, you also have a view into your calendar, your timesheet generation, your project tasks, and also if you have shifts. If you need any further information from HR, you're welcome to use the in-app chat, which allows you to speak to HR, and you can also change your password, look at your login attempts in history. Thank you.